Welcome to my channel DevOps Thiago. Today I'm going to show how to install Docker on Ubuntu machine. All the information you need will be in my GitHub. Let's go to start. The requirement to install Docker on Ubuntu, you need to have a Ubuntu machine, command line terminal access, and sudo privilege. So we have the first step. Let's copy, open the terminal, paste. This will go to update the packages in your machine. Put your password, your sudo password, and go to update. Okay, go back to the GitHub, copy the step 2. Let's go to install the requirement package. Go back to terminal, paste this command. Okay, all the packages installed. Go back to the GitHub. Number 3, added the Docker package keys. Let's go back to the terminal, paste. Okay, you added it. Go back to the GitHub, copy step 4. Go back to the terminal, paste that again. Press enter. Let's go to edit the repositories for Docker. Go back to the GitHub, copy step 5. Paste in the terminal. Now we install Docker. Okay, the installation is end. Go back to the GitHub, copy number 6 to verify if you have Docker installed on your machine. Paste. Press enter. They go to download the imaging and start to run the first Docker in your machine. If now I try to run Docker with my user, they don't go to run. So go back to the GitHub, copy this command, paste in the terminal. Let's give it permissions for the Docker socket. Go back to the GitHub, copy this another command. This command give the permission for you user to run Docker. So after that, let's try run again. And now Docker is run fine in your machine. Now I have Docker installed in your Ubuntu machine. So if you have any question, please send a comment for me. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. I see you in the next video.